Don't say I'm very tired, say I'm wiped out.
Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
What? I'm
tired.
What to do?
Look out.
Oh, I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna have to cancel. Yeah, I'm totally wiped out.
Robots. Amber alert.
I'm ruined.
Bankrupt. Wiped out.
Who the hell can sleep?
I'm still a little wiped out.
Should we hit the hay?
Good idea. I am wiped out.
Don't say make you angry. Always say rile you up.
Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
What?
Oh, man, are you making me angry?
Look out.
I wasn't thinking. I didn't think.
It doesn't matter. David.
Elena, I riled Catherine up.
Gentlemen, face your birds! Come on now, George! Rile them up!
I am sorry to be using my barn voice in front of a lady, but I am riled up.
Yeah, I am. Come get some, Jinsey. It's okay. It's just a little riled up.
If she's scared, you can sing to her. She likes Katy Perry. But don't do firework. That gets all riled up.
Quiet, Yeller! Don't rile her!
Don't say I'm nervous. Say I've got cold feet.
Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
What?
Ever since you proposed, you haven't been yourself.
Cold feet.
Had to do a show up. Well, why would he give that up?
Cold feet, Jimmy. Cold feet.
Well, we got some problems down here now.
She got cold feet.
Real cold.
I don't want to marry Chandler.
Okay, it's gonna be okay.
I'm just saging, trying to clear this place of my energy.
Why?
Cold feet.
I just messed up. I really messed up.
Oh, what happened? I'm so sorry. You're right. I really messed up.
Maybe the chipmunks aren't here at all. Maybe they're gone.
I really messed up.
I'm so sorry.
No, gosh, no, it's not your fault. I really messed up.
Don't say exactly what I needed. Say hit the spot.
Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
What?
That's exactly what I need.
Denbot.
That hit the spot.
Thanks, boys!
Call.
Well, that hit the spot.
Well, that's hit the spot.
Let's do this together. And that hit the spot.
Spirits high is how I'll always be. Phew! Now that hit the spot.
Ah, that granola hit the spot.
Don't say that's a bad idea. Say that's a recipe for disaster.
Don't say that!
What?
Bad idea.
Denbot.
What the hell does that mean? You've insisted we medicate him without psychotherapy. That is a recipe for disaster.
You might not understand that now, but believe me, you will one day. Otherwise, that's a recipe for disaster.
You're right. Easy. Socks in a hardwood floor. It's a recipe for disaster.
Need you to dispatch requesting additional.
Because a lack of containment in our line of work is a recipe for disaster.